talk about our materials and fabrics. Why Solbrella Fabrics? Solbrella Fabrics have been in business 50 years. They are the leader in the industry. They offer the best warranty available, which allows us to give you that same warranty. Solbrella Fabrics have two lines of fabrics. They have your awning grade. Primarily the awning grade is used in all of our covers. Anything exterior will take this particular application of awning grade material. The difference between the two grades is the upholstery grade has a 5-year warranty. It's made of 8 ounces per square yard, opposed to the awning grade, which has a 10-year warranty, and it actually comes at 9.25, which is 9.25 ounces per square yard. A little bit heavier. There is different factors when it comes to the two grades. There's a little more comfort in the upholstery grade, and there's a little less comfort but longevity when it comes to the awning grade. With using that with a UV coated Nubon thread, this particular application together gives us a nice finished product. Then in turn gives you a nice finished product. Let's talk about installation. We have various methods of installation, which is key to keeping our cover on in any condition. As you see here, we have your leash system with a stud at the end. We have grommets. We also have the Velcro system. This allows you to basically put two pieces together. In most of our larger applications, you'll see that we actually put one or several pieces together to create a nice custom cover and a nice fit, gives a nice finish. We also use a stud system. Primarily the stud systems are around, as you see here, this is a typical side grill. This grill has the studs in. We use that stud location that are permanently installed with rivets. We also will lay this out and actually build your cover and install it. So once the cover's on, you will actually, it stays on its own with studs and buttons. One of our installation methods is the bag, the weight bag system. We either leave this long and to get outside loose, as you see here, or in most cases we actually can sew that into some of your other barbecue covers. We also have your TV cover application. This is a particular vinyl piece. As you see here, we use a microfiber lining to protect the LCD screen or the front of your TV cover, and this actually allows it to be give a little padding as well. So those are our typical installation methods. We're talking about installation. Later in the video, we're going to show you an actual installation real time. Before we actually talk about the installation, I want to talk about some of our methods and tools used for the installation process. Our most popular and suggested system is using our stud system. The stud system here allows you to go into wood surfaces using an anchor. It allows you to go into stucco and concrete. We also have a stud rivet system here, and this rivet system, as you see here, goes into very nicely into stainless steel. It allows a nice contrast of color, and sometimes you can't even see them. They actually blend in very well. In addition to that, this is we actually have your button systems. Your button system, as you see here, is nicely painted. We usually have those in silver, most of your beige colors, and we also have it in black. And those blend to, depending on the fabric color, we will match the fabric color very nicely. These are our suggested installation process, but as we are a custom-made on-site company, every application is completely different. Every installation could be, various methods could be used. I told you we're actually talking about installation, and we show you a lot of the products that are involved and some of the quality of products that we use for our installation methods. We're actually here real time showing you an actual installation of a 40-foot island that we're actually making a custom cover for. What's unique about this particular process is, like every job, we actually have to install it very carefully. It's very important that we take one step at a time. There's no way for us to just go by and just put a bunch of holes in the structure and hope that it's going to fit. Each and every stud actually has to be taken one by one. And the reason for that is when you're dealing with material, there's a lot of issues that could come up. It's completely custom made, so we actually have to alter it left or right and make a few adjustments for the installation process. So it's very important that we take one by one. As you see here, we're actually taking one by one, trying to fit that up so it actually looks very nice. Aesthetics are as important as the products themselves, and that's what we offer here. We're offering a nice, beautiful, great product of quality of products, plus we're offering a nice finish and installation. And when combined, the installation process with quality of products, Solbrella Cover Designs gives a tremendously great product. It's going to be years to come. It's going to fit very nicely, and it's also going to hold up with all the climates and the different weather patterns that we have anywhere. This particular case, as we mentioned here, is a 4-piece section. First off, the reason why we have a large piece is because trying to store this, making one big piece, very difficult first off. Second, it's actually going to be very difficult to store and to handle. This way, 4 pieces allow you to have a little bit more flexibility on storage, on handling. This particular client here wanted 4 pieces. We have, as we've shown here, we have your first piece here, which is your barbecue island. It attaches here to our second piece, which is here. You see the Velcro. That piece will come off very, very easy. Then we actually have this on the other side here. We'll follow me here. Let me show you the rest of it. So as you saw, the first piece of our 4-piece cover set here, we've got the first piece here, the barbecue, the second piece here, which is actually the bar area. Take a look at that. And then follow me here. This is how the second and third piece attaches. Another piece of Velcro. It also has a stud system here that actually holds this on to keep this cover from really moving. It does keep a little water resistance as well. And if you follow me here, I'd like to show you how we follow down the rest of the barbecue here. This actually continues the third piece. We get into here. There's actually a pop-up TV as well as the front cover here. You'll actually get into the third piece to the fourth piece, and these two actually join here with another piece of Velcro. This Velcro is very sturdy. This is a 2-inch hook and loop system. We color coordinate depending on what color is required. As you see here, this is going to the final fourth piece is actually here as well, and we actually have the stud system that holds it all up. We go around the sink, as you see here, into a cooktop, which has insulation for some protection as well as heat reduction. And then, as you see here, the final piece.
Hello, my name is Manuelson with Solbrella Cover Designs. I can give you a few cleaning tips on our Solbrella covers. They're very easy to care for. One way is to get a soft brush them off a little, put a little soap on them, and just rinse them off and let them air dry. And then if you want to store them, just remove them after they're dry. Solbrella awning gray fabric holds up very well in the desert. It holds up very well anywhere. But here in the desert, since it's so very hot, it's the only material that can withstand our heat and outdoes any other material out there. Our threads that we use are all UV rated, so they hold up very well as well. The cleaning, like I said, is very important for them. Solbrella, through Solbrella manufacturer, is warranty 5 years. That's a few tips on our cleaning and our warranty.
Solbrella Cover Designs. We are your sun protection specialist. Maria and I would like to thank you for your time, and we hope to see you soon.